right, let's get started. So I am a Vaslab girl through and through, and I get packs of them at a time. I like this brand from PicknPay called Real Home. I get a couple of them and they last me a while. I also have these exfoliating gloves and the shower cap. I get them for a good price at the Crazy Store because I replace them so much. And then the bar soap that I use, I was actually put on by my friend. It's by William Dabbs, and it's a really nice scented bar soap. I got it from Checkers, and I really recommend if you're looking for something new. But I also do use the Dove. I got a pack of like 8 of them, and the pomegranate is really nice. I like the scent. I also like the lather. So yeah, if you are looking for something new, you can try either one of these. And then for a body wash, I have just been gravitating towards Dove lately. I'm not super loyal to the Dove body wash. I do want to try the pantry one. But yeah, I've just been finding this for really good prices everywhere. And when I hop into the shower, babes, I just stand there for a while. I literally just stand there, let the hot water, I love it hot, let the hot water just run all over me, and then I start mixing my concoction of the body wash and the bar soap, and I love to make it lather. I love a good lather. I think that's my favorite part of my body care routine. I love a good lather. Okay, I have gotten rid of body washes and bar soaps and stuff like that because they didn't give me like the lather that I want. Like, look at that. Come on. Like, I absolutely love when I have all the suds and all of that. And the body care routine that I am showing you, I will also have every single thing linked in the description box, from product to like the tools that I use, everything. I will have that all linked. And I basically just go in with that mixture all over my body and make sure that I am basing, basically. This is my base. I am going to go in and exfoliate, but this is the base. So then we have the shower oil, and the one I'm currently using is the JoMalone one. I am running low, but she is stunning. This is in English Pear and Freesia. And then for the body scrub, I'm currently using this one from Sorbet. I'm also not super loyal to this one, mainly because I just wish the grains were bigger. I love a big salt scrub. So on my exfoliating gloves, all I have is body wash, and then I'm going to pour the shower oil on my glove, and I'm just gonna make sure that that is all over my glove, and then I'm gonna scoop some body scrub out of the tub, and then I'm gonna get to work. So when it comes to exfoliation, I really do like a big scrub. Like, what I mean by that is a salt scrub, a sugar scrub. I like a big physical exfoliant. I don't like the ones that are just small and grainy. I think that's wasting my time. I do get a bit violent when it comes to exfoliation, but that's just because I think that it's necessary in the toes, in the feet, on the elbows, on the neck. It's very necessary to go in deep when it comes to this. And then I use the suds that are on my body as a shaving cream. So when I am shaving, I will just use a regular razor. Honestly, I'm not very hairy, so I'm not super particular. But when I do get some hair underneath my armpits and stuff, I will go in with just a big razor, and then I start to rinse it off. So that's just a one-step situation. I just get everything done and then rinse all the hair and everything off. And then when I'm out of the shower, I then use a deodorant, and the one I'm currently using is the black and white Nivea deodorant. I'm also not too stressed out about my deodorants. I just stick to Nivea and Garnier. That's my only thing. I have no darkness or anything like that because I just stick to Nivea and Garnier. And for body butter, I use the Fenty Beauty body butter. I recently finished the pink one. I forgot what it's called. I am now using the original. It's really good, but yeah, it's a nice thick juicy. I like this body butter. It's really good, and I will just go all over my body using this, and I will make sure that I also get it on my feet, in between my toes. I do go in when it comes to a good body butter. If you watch me, you know that I'm kind of obsessed with trying out new lotions. These Fenty ones have been the best ones I've tried this year. I'm still on the hunt, but then I'll put my socks on just to make sure that my feet stay soft. And then honestly, mid-July, I was like, okay, we kind of have to add a body oil to the Fenty. The Fenty is good, it really is, but mid-July I was like, okay, I don't know what this is, because winter came with this wind and my skin was crackling. I was like, no. So I just add the pomers to my layers when it comes to moisturizing my body. And as you can see, that sheen is delicious, that shine is glorious, and that's what I want. So then I get dressed and I started combing my hair because I did want to just put it in a ponytail. My hair is getting a bit thick and oily, but don't worry, babes. I'm about to do my hair soon, so I'm not really worried. I'm just going to pop it into a ponytail, and I'm just going to make sure that it's neat and out of my face because I had some work to do. I use this satin scrunchie when I do ponytails just so that I don't rip any of my real hair. And then I'm just gonna apply a lip gloss. This is the one from Dior. And yeah, it's just a simple lip gloss. I have lip glosses all over my house, especially when I'm working. So yeah, I just like to put this on, and then I apply either a perfume or a perfume oil. I am so excited to share this particular one with you guys in my next vlog. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.